Starting Monday, October 26th, it is essential that all teachers use their AM/PM list to check students that have completed their health screener. If a student has not completed their health screener, send them to the quad so that they can complete it with Ms. Galdamez. If a student has completed their health screener and they responded with a yes, please initiate the isolation room protocol and call the Wellness Center. If a student is attending virtually but shows up in person, please send them to the quad so that Ms. Galdamez can call home and have a parent come and pick them up. The purpose of the remainder of this video is to show you where to access your AM/PM list. Go to Google Drive. Select your shared drives. In your shared drives, find the HMS Teacher and Staff Drive. Scroll down in the folders and open the AM/PM teacher list. Find your spreadsheet. It starts with your last name and says person versus virtual. We'll just open the teacher at the top of the list, Mrs. Miko Smith. Notice that the tab that you open in the spreadsheet is the AM tab, and it has a green color. There's also a list for your PM students. On Monday and Tuesday, you want your PM file open. Those are the students that will be attending in person Monday afternoon. Here you have your total number of students attending in person and the periods in which they're attending. You then have their student ID number, their last name, their first name, their grade level, and their identification as to whether or not they're attending virtually or in person. You only need to see the students who are attending in person, so click on the three lines in the right-hand side of the cell titled User 12 and deselect Virtual Students. You now only have your in-person students. Notice that Mrs. Smith does not have a first period. She does not need to check the health screener on Monday because she has no students first period. On Tuesday, Mrs. Smith has students in fourth period. We can just select those students by eliminating the check next to second, third, fifth, and sixth. Now, we can scroll to the right and find the health screener column, column L. We can see that she has a total of 7 students and 4 have not completed the health screener. We know this because the cell contains the letters N/A. That means that there is no data for that student from the health screener. The other students selected no. If they had selected yes, it would show in this column, and that's when you initiate the isolation room protocol. For the students with the NAs next to their names, make sure you send them to the quad right away so they can complete their health screener with Ms. Galdamez.